guys, I'm Nate. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today we got to talk about this jailbreak pricing that's out there. I'm not talking about retail pricing or suggested retail pricing. I'm talking about actual pricing on the streets. Alright, so first of all, you're wondering what a jailbreak is. What is so special about a jailbreak? Check out my other video. I kind of run down what exactly is a jailbreak, and then I also have another one that kind of goes through customization. But really, in a nutshell, Jailbreak Hellcat is the model of Hellcat that they've come out to basically unlock or jailbreak a ton of customizations, and from the factory direct. And it also has, I think, 807 horsepower, so same horsepower like a super stock. Now, the problem with this car is, so if you want it, it's custom, right? So typically you would order it, but you know, given all the supply chain and everything, ordering is taking some time, several months to get your jailbreak, and they are starting to show up. The other thing you could do is, you know, people order these cars and they just back out of them, so you have some jailbreaks that are sitting on a dealer lot. It's kind of weird though, right? Because the whole premise of a jailbreak is you can custom make a close to one-of-one Hellcat, but then you're taking someone else's. So I don't really get that premise, but still, there's some out there. Now, what are they charging for? That's another story. So dealers will be dealers, ADMs. I mean, the jailbreak, the Hellcat's coming to an end. The jailbreak is obviously a very super rare edition of the Hellcat. So there's a couple of listings that I saw where basically they were charging like 20K over sticker. So there was a Hellcat Challenger jailbreak and a Charger jailbreak. Both of them about 20K over sticker for a jailbreak that you didn't even customize. So hopefully you like exactly the paint scheme and the calipers and all the badging and stuff that they chose about, because otherwise you're paying a lot of money for someone else's Challenger. Now I got to thinking about this and I was like, yeah, ADMs, like, have you seen some of my earlier videos? When I got this Hellcat, this is 2015, they first come out. It was only a few months really into the whole Hellcat craze, and I really wanted one of these cars. It was the same thing down here, ADMs, 20, 30K over sticker if you wanted a Hellcat at that time, and that was even just to order one. On the dealer lots, ADMs were even higher than that. So I got lucky. Well, I'm not necessarily lucky, but I did my research, found a dealer that was willing to work with it, called them up, got lucky because I wanted a manual transmission, and I got my Hellcat. It's kind of my story of how I got into this thing without paying crazy markups. Because think about it, $20,000 to $30,000 paying over sticker for a car. First of all, that money is gone. Second of all, that's just crazy. You buy a whole new car or a lot of gas to do things like this. Always gotta check where cops coming on the on-ramp like that. You know, I've always been just kind of, I don't really understand ADMs. I don't think I could do an ADM even if I really wanted the car. With the jailbreak, same situation. You're paying the ADMs for it, but it's a little bit awkward here. Your jailbreak, you know, if you distill it, it's essentially a red eye, right? But a little bit more horsepower. It's got the 807, so it's really more like a super stock. But if you want to look at models that are a little bit more common, I guess, it's a red eye. It's basically a fully customized red eye. So why wouldn't you just order a red eye, go to a dealership like Coons or one of those that actually will charge you less than invoice even? I think they advertise like 6% under invoice. Why wouldn't you go with a dealership like that, get your car, get a red eye under 6%, and then you could just tune it? I mean, it's got the same supercharger that the jailbreak has. It has the same engine. The only thing is it's 797 horsepower instead of the 807, right, that the jailbreak comes with. But Dodge is also releasing these performance tuning kits, so I think your red eye, you can actually get even above the power of a jailbreak with one of those tuning kits, and that's direct from the factory, saves you the warranty. So instead of paying some crazy 20K markup for a car that you don't even necessarily want the customization for, I was like, well, why wouldn't you just, in that case, buy a regular red eye, pay for it, get it at a good dealer that's willing to give you a good price for it, even sticker, right, compared to what you're paying these ADMs for. Wait for the direct connection kit to come out for the red eye, upgrade the power, do stage 2 even, probably on one of those, to get it up to something crazy in the high 800s. And then you can do all the other little customizations yourself. I mean, what were we talking about? Yellow calipers? Fine, go get your calipers painted. The badges, 20K, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be able to buy those badges online, or someone's gonna make a knockoff or something of them. Like you could even come up with your own badges, come up with your own spoiler. For 20K, I'm pretty sure you can do a fully unique one of one. Yeah, is it gonna have the pedigree of a Jailbreak? No, it's not. But you gotta also think, like, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong in thinking about the future, what do you guys think, but who's gonna want your customized Challenger later? I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, that's just kind of my take on it. I think 20K is a lot of money to throw away on something like that was supposed to be a customizable model, and you're paying that much in ADM. It doesn't really seem like it makes that much sense when you can just customize yourself. Aftermarket's going to be cheaper anyways than the customization that Dodge is going to offer, and you can essentially make your own, I don't know, Jailbreak Plus model, right? That's kind of my take on these ADMs. I don't think you should do it. I think if you live in an area where it's ripe, like down here in South Florida for ADMs, I think you should just shop around, buy out of state. 20K also gets you a lot of money to use for custom transporting if you wanted to have a car shipped from somewhere in the Midwest, maybe where the dealers are more willing to work with you. Also, just given the state of kind of where we are in the economy and things, I don't really know that that's the greatest idea of something you want to do right now. Love to hear what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments. Do you think the Jailbreak is worth it even at a 20K markup? Do you think you're better off just buying a regular red eye, doing the tune-up? Let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Check out these next videos and I'll see you there.